Hey, welcome to our episode today at eBeamRocks.com. Today we're going to be going over the eBeam Smart Markers, the two different products that are available. I wanted to show you what the components are in each one of the boxes. So we're going to start off with the eBeam Smart Marker, and then we're going to go through the complete. Okay, so let's start off with going through the Smart Marker Basic unit. This is the box that it comes in. Let's open this up, show you the variety of items that you get when you order this. First of all, we have a very nice travel case. Travel case includes all of these items here, but you can also put in the rest of the stuff so that you've got one nice case, everything included. You get your manual. Inside this box we're going to have the USB charger that comes with this. It is a standard charger. We do not sell that as a separate item, so if you happen to lose that, any charger will work. You get your Smart Marker, your Expo black marker. Fluidia is an international company, so you get several adapters that you can use if you are not in the United States. Again, like I said, the USB adapter is a standard one, so if you're someplace else and you don't have the right adapter in here, you can use any USB adapter. And we also include a electronic eraser, a couple of extra felt pads, and a couple of mounting brackets for the eraser itself, and a AA battery. Inside the case here, we've got your USB charging cable. It's a 15-footer. Also included are brackets that have got command strip mounts on the back of them. This is for mounting the receiver to a non-magnetic surface. And then we've got several decals here that you can use to mark the area in which you're going to be writing in if you choose to do that. Here in this nice clear case, we've got your USB dongle. This is used on the PCs only, and it is how you communicate between the Smart Marker receiver and your PC. We've got your Smart Marker receiver, and you've got your marker sleeve. We'll show this later, but the Expo pen goes inside the marker sleeve. This is the charging cradle. It is a single one. This is a part that you can replace if you need to. You simply mount these on the unit like this, plug in the USB cable down here, plug that into the wall, let it charge up. Typically 3 hours full charge. So that's the complete basic unit right there. If you have any questions, love to hear from you. Drop us a line, chat with us. We're all about helping people figure out how to use this stuff the best way possible. Thank you.